What's up, guys? Got my Arrma Outcast 8S EXB RTR out. Now, I did a little upgrades to the light. This is from Polo Creations. Well, half of it's from Polo Creation, half of it's from me. You see I got two lights right there, two lights in there. You can't see them really because it's daytime, but you can see these because they're awfully bright. And I got three lights right here on the bumper. White in the front and red and yellow in the back. Also added this skid plate. My homie Chris hooked me up with this skid plate. This joint is nice. It's about time I scratch it up. Put the old wing back on there. Colored the tires in. Looking all crazy. This thing looks beautiful, man. It made me not want to bash it looking like this. Yo, my batteries died on me. Yo. All right, let me bring her in. I'm gonna have to switch that battery out, but I'm gonna put a 6S in it. 6S power. Yeah, I had to switch it out for the 6S battery. Yeah, I love this truck. Oh, let me fix that. The lights I install, I try to install them made for bashing, but some of these light kits aren't made for bashing. They really aren't. And my wing is all crooked. I'm gonna let y'all check out that wiring, like how I did it. Yo, like, let you see the backlight. Yeah, it look like a demon coming. Let me go close to it so y'all can see it better. See what I'm saying? If it stopped glaring, that look crazy. That sound like it went real far back there. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Yeah, this thing is a monster dog. I wanted to do wanted to do a Crichton 8S in this run and my Outcast 8S with this. I mean, but ain't no, Crichton handles a lot better certain situations. And nothing beats my stunt truck. Battery's done in there. All right, let's see the damages. Back from the bash now. Let's see what I did. Well, basically, the inside of the car is dirty, but it's all in one piece. No damage. The wing came out because I didn't have it screwed all the way in from the last time when I put the carbon fiber wing on there, I didn't tighten it down. That's why it was crooked. But that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. As for the body, this is how I wired it up. It's a little dirty, but this is how I wired it up. I wanted a little way neater than this too. But what I did here, I'm upset. You know I am really upset. Now I got the one-eyed car. And I was looking for this piece for a minute, could not find it. And I blew out one of the rear lights, but that's nothing. I can replace that. Most likely I don't even have to replace it. Probably just need to be resoldered. Yeah, but this truck held out pretty good. I didn't really bash that hard. Battery died on me real fast because it was very... I did a Crichton video right before and I used the same batteries. And I thought it would last a little bit longer. What? Kind of got an idea what I'm going to do for this. Because me and the guy Chris was working on some ideas with these lights. And I think I might have a solution to make a light cover myself, which I could. It's real simple. I could just make my own light cover to make up for this right here. Yeah, but I ripped all of that out. Nice even cut. Yeah, but she held up pretty good. My paint on my tire stayed on there because I put it pretty thick this time so it wouldn't just scrape. Some of it scraped off, but it's on there pretty good. It didn't come off too much. Just a little touch up. Did my wheelie bar over. It looks pretty good. Focus. Boom. So tell me what y'all think about my skins. Let's see if this, I said skid plate is skins, a chassis skin. That's what it is. Yeah, but tell me what y'all think of this car. I mean, I love this truck so far because, you know, I put a lot of effort into it. Got more to come. More things I want to upgrade on this vehicle. Oh, and this is the second half of my 2K shout-outs. And now I gave people shout-outs in my first video. My second shout-out is my homie Ishmael. I give him a major shout-out because he helped me out by giving me a temp gun and gave me a thumb steer. You know, that helped out a lot. So I give, you know, Ish major shout out. Me and him be bashing sometime. We had a couple videos. He was in a couple of my videos. He was running hard, having fun. Definitely give him a major shout out and a thanks. Also, Linden 215. He live in the local area. He has a channel. His channel is awesome also. He gave me a few ideas. I'm gonna leave all their channels in the link below. So if you want to check those guys out, you can link right there. Another shout out to Milt Build RCs. He has awesome builds also. I learned a lot from these guys because they builds be off the charts. I'd like to give shout out to other channels. Mitch, he has an awesome channel. He's we go to the same hobby shop. It's a couple guys that we, you know, that has channels that go to the shop. Imperial RC, he goes to our shop. He has some masterpiece cars. You got Vince. He has speed cars. His cars are fast. He got something. His car's up to like 250 plus, 250 miles an hour. Like, that's crazy. But what I'm gonna do is leave their links below in the description so you can check them out if you want to. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I got more shout outs and to people I may have forgot in future videos. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.